I separate from other agents. We're also going to talk about the loan options and the different grants. There's VHDA, Fairfax FTHB, this is First Time Home Buyers Program, Prince William County's Assistance, the FHA versus conventional versus the VA, who each loan is actually for, and why the right lender matters more than the lowest rate. And last but not least, on the call, we're going to discuss the market conditions and how they determine how we're going to write our offer, not just what we offer. And we're going to preview the buyer positioning scale. That's going to talk about the type of buyer you are, a foundational buyer, a strategic buyer, or a competitive buyer, or are we a doorstep closer? This is where I separate from other agents. You leave with a plan, not